Hi, good morning. Still with Dia in day 2 of CeMAT Southeast Asia 2026. Joining with me today is Edwin. So, hi Edwin. Hi, good
Hi.
morning. How are you today?
Morning. Good.
All right, can you tell us a little bit more about Advantech and what your company is bringing today to CeMAT?
Okay. So Advantech is basically an industrial embedded automation manufacturer, equipment hardware manufacturer, and our business model is basically we have a lot of huge suite of platform that we work with system integrator who provide the solution to the end user. So basically we are a B2B business. Okay. So now this time is CeMAT. So CeMAT is basically the main team is more on logistics. So we showcase a wide range of product range that it can be used for the logistics sector. So first off is this for AMR. Okay. So we have this platform that is for AMR usage. AMR stands for autonomous mobile robots. Okay. It can also be for robotics, can also be for humanoids. So we have for this one that we are showcasing is a board level based on Intel Meteor Lake. Okay, it's a 14 Gen Core i with certain MPU inside, and we customize this board mainly for AMR usage. So things common requirements like, for example, CAN-FD, GMSL, MIPI support, and beyond that, we also have on top of the hardware, we have running on top of Ubuntu, we have a ROS 2 suite. So we call that robotic suite. We add in a lot of common requested ROS 2 utilities, like for example nav2, gazebo, RVs, and then also plus some sample codes. And we also partner with many peripheral devices, have their drivers inbuilt together, so to make development easier. So we have a dev kit for this. Okay, so that is for AMR usage or robotics or humanoid usage. Now behind this, where you can see is all our ruggedized vehicle mount equipped PCs or vehicle PCs. So all of them you can see from here, they are like those, they're right at the far left corner, that is a vehicle mount terminal. Okay, it's a ruggedized terminal, Core i or Celeron based. Then there's the semi-rugged tablets that can be used for the retail logistics sector or field application. Then we have in the middle, we have what we call the NVIDIA vehicle PC based on Jetson O-ring, and also a very unique one is the AGX Industrial. That is meant for very high temp or for AI processing use. Now, just behind the, I don't think you can see at the rightmost corner, that's more for tracking. So where we have let's say we mount on a container, then we can actually track where the container is. So it supports GPS, 4G. Normally you use the global SIM, make it easier because you're going to track worldwide. Then Wi-Fi, and we have a solar for adding on more power. So it's a solar to recharge the unit. Now, at that corner, which is the front facing, that unit comes as a two set. We have the one that's rectangular, that is a Core i with NVIDIA O-ring. That means you can have, it's basically a two-in-one system, but in one box. So my AI processing is at the O-ring, then the COM-E, I can change the module also. So the CPU is basically an upgradable modular design. Okay, so that unit by itself, all these are meant for vehicles. So we have all the relevant vehicle certification. Okay, so like for vibration shock, power will be ISO 7637. We have CAN bus support, SAJ 1939, and others. So that's the main idea and main concepts for that.
All right, thank you so much, Edwin. We have a lot of great product from Advantech this year, right? Okay, so for you guys who haven't really checked out what Advantech have in CeMAT today, please come down here. We still have 2 days in CeMAT Southeast Asia.